Hello, beautiful peoples! Hi guys, I'm back again with another unboxing. Syempre, this is susuotin. Kasi araw-araw tayo nagsiselfie. Di naman ako nahiya guys na paulit-ulit yung sinusuot ko na damit. Bakit? Wala naman akong pakialam. Si Habi na. Pal naman ako ni Habi. Hindi ako pal ninyo. So, ayan guys. Flex ko lang. So, why red and black? Dalawang siya. Ano tawag doon? Top. So, why black and red? I-flex muna natin ha. Yung red. Labhan ko later. Oh, it's so cute. Kakasya po sa akin. Kakasya siya sa akin. Okay, kakasya siya sa akin. Okay. This is only worth 55 pesos. Yan, ayan siya. Meron siyang double talaga. Double lining sa front. But I still need, padding. So, stretchable siya. Yun yung red. And ito yung black. Sabay tapon. Ang cute niya. Medyo lumiit na rin naman ako. So, perfect naman to. Ayan. Yan yung black. So, yung front niya is double lining. Ang tawag ko. Basta doble siya. Para medyo hindi yung bundok. Yung Mount Everest. So cute niya. I love it. So, bakit red? Red, always wear red sa Monday. Pag Monday. Kasi, syempre, andito tayo sa store. Kailangan nating, hindi po ko in-check, pero naniniwala ako sa mga ganyan-ganyan ng pampaswerte. Bakit? Wala namang mawawala kung maniniwala tayo doon, 'di ba? As long as positive energy or positive everything yung gusto nating i-achieve for the day and for the week. Remember, kailangan maganda ang Lunes. Bakit black? As a Libran, black is my lucky color every Saturday. That is why most of my top or sleeveless are black. Hindi yun siya iisa. Although pa ulit-ulit, pero may span naman yun of 1 week, So, yun. Ang ganda niya, guys. Lagay ko yung link kung saang shop yun. So, yun. That's all muna for today. Join me again on my next video. Join me again on my next unboxing. Thank you always for watching and supporting me. I love you all, guys. So, enjoy the rest of the day. Okay? Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. Happy Sunday. Ingat po yung lahat.